Welcome to Anjali Upadhyay's YouTube channel. Let us discuss accounting treatment of goodwill in admission of partner. What is goodwill? Goodwill is extra premium or extra money which is brought in by new partner in business on his admission. When one more partner is added into the business, then that partner gets share in the future profit, and thus old partners have to do some sacrifice in their profit sharing ratio, and thus a sacrifice ratio is calculated in the formula old ratio minus new ratio. Now whatever goodwill is brought in by new partner, that will be distributed among old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Now if you want to know the calculation of sacrifice ratio, then I have prepared a separate video on calculation of sacrifice ratio. I am also giving a link of that video in the description box below, and you can click that link and can have a look on that video. Let's go to the next part. See, when goodwill is brought in by new partner in cash, then it is retained in the business. That means it is distributed among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio as we discussed in the previous slide. Now see, we will open a cash account and there we need to write an entry about to goodwill. To the debit side of cash, we need to write to goodwill account. So this entry is cash account debit to goodwill account. Now open a goodwill account and on its credit side write by cash account. So entries which are passed in the red color are for goodwill brought in cash. Now that goodwill is to be distributed among the old partners in order to retain it in the business. So the entry will be goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. You can see the entry on the debit side of goodwill account as to A's capital and to B's capital. A and B are the old partners and thus the goodwill is distributed among them in the sacrifice ratio. You can see its effect in the partner's capital or a current account on credit side by goodwill account. Amount of goodwill 40,000 is distributed between A and B in the sacrifice ratio. So entries which are passed in violet color are for goodwill retained in the business. That means it is distributed among old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Another situation is where new partner brings goodwill in cash and the half of goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. Again, we need to open cash account and we need to write an entry on its debit side as to goodwill account. Another effect of this you can see in the goodwill account on credit side as by cash account. So entry passed in red color is about goodwill brought in cash by new partner. Then that goodwill is distributed among the old partners. So to the debit side of goodwill account, you can see the entry as to A's capital 20,000 to B's capital 20,000. This is goodwill distributed among the old partners. Another effect of this entry will be in the partner's capital account current account. On credit side you can see by goodwill account and thus that goodwill is distributed among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Here sacrifice ratio is equal. Afterwards now these two old partners, they want to withdraw the half amount of goodwill. So you can see the entry to the debit side of partner's capital or current account as to cash account, and in A and B's column you can see amount 10,000. Another effect of this you can see in the cash account on credit side by A's capital 10,000 by B's capital 10,000. So entries passed in violet color are for goodwill distributed among old partners or goodwill credited to the old partner's capital account. Then entries passed in blue color are about goodwill withdrawn, half of the goodwill withdrawn by old partners. Thus, when new partner brings goodwill in cash and half of goodwill is withdrawn, then in that case, three entries you need to pass. First situation where goodwill is raised. It is not brought in cash but it is raised. So the entry will be in the goodwill account to the debit side to old partners capital account. That means here to A's capital and to B's capital. A and B are the two old partners. Then the another effect of this will be in the partner's capital or current account credit side as by goodwill account. Here goodwill is distributed in the old ratio. Now you can see in the goodwill account you will get a closing balance, and that balance in goodwill should be transferred to the balance sheet on the asset side as goodwill 40,000. So thus when goodwill is raised, the entries are passed like this. As I told you, when the new partner does not bring goodwill, then in that case the goodwill is calculated on the basis of past performance of the partnership firm. If you want to know how to calculate goodwill, valuation of a goodwill, then I have prepared another video and also giving the link of that video below in the description box. You can click on the link and you can watch that video also. Let us go to the next slide where goodwill is raised and then it is written off. Then in that case, goodwill account debit side entry will be to old partner's capital account, to A's capital and to B's capital. Another effect will be in the partner's capital account credit side by goodwill account 20,000 and 20,000. Now here that goodwill is raised, so the goodwill is distributed among the old partners in the ratio 1:1, that is the old ratio. New ratio of the three partners in the new partnership firm is 2:2:1. So when goodwill is written off, entry will be all partners capital account debit to goodwill account. So to the debit side of partners capital or current account, you can see entry to goodwill account, and that amount of goodwill 40,000 is distributed as 16,000, 16,000 and 8,000 among all the three partners. Another effect of this you can see in the goodwill account on credit side as by A's capital 16,000, by B's capital 16,000 and by C's capital account 8,000. So thus goodwill is raised and then it is written off. So these are the two situations where the accounting treatment of goodwill is to be done. Keep watching videos for such important adjustments like this. Please like, subscribe and share videos. Thank you.